I was with the same salon for 9 years, and the difference, it's worlds apart as far as the professionalism, the knowledge that Leslie has. She's knowledgeable. She knows what she's talking about. She does what she says she's going to do, and the service. She told me I was going to feel like I was part of the family, and just in the little time that I've been coming, I feel like I'm a part of her family. I think the experience, the quality, the customer service, it's worth every mile that I drive. The way that you are made to feel, it's amazing. I would recommend anyone and everyone that has a hair replacement need to come here.